Hey everyone, this is filler number 3 for the ammo for Mr. Andy Hodge, 10 at 4. Top spot and bottom spot each get a spot on the main. I'm going to copy our list. Go live, 826. Paste our list. Roll a dice, need a 4 or higher, 826. Got an 11. 826, 11 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items on the list. Mr. Paul Chandler on top and bottom, randomized 10 times. Dice called for an 11. 827, final time. Good luck, everyone. Miss Thea and Mr. Ryan. 10 items, 11 times, 11 on the dice. Congrats, winners. We are done. 827. Thanks, everyone.